Those who are still confused about whether Fitgirl is safe, this is the official Fitgirl website. A screenshot of the site is shown to you. Do you understand what is written above? You can pause the video here, and if you don't understand, just watch the video till the end. I will explain everything to you. When I explain these things, no one else does it like this on YouTube or Instagram. I explain everything from the inside. This is what happens with Windows Defender and other antivirus software. Keep them on, and this will still happen. I have received many complaints, which I will share with you. I do this so that you also understand and get the context of where I'm coming from. I also have DMs as proof. People say that after downloading the game, the setup file was missing. First of all, I don't understand this logic. If there is no setup file, then how can you install the game? The setup file does not disappear on its own. Windows Defender or any antivirus software takes it for system security. If you don't believe me, this usually happens when Defender protection is enabled. If you go to Protection History, you will find the file there. Defender says that the file is a Trojan or virus, so it removes it. If someone asks whether Fitgirl is safe or not, I simply show them the official website screenshot. I don't need to say anything else. See what is written above. Disable antivirus. Antivirus means any security software on your PC, like Norton, Avast, or AVG. It is clearly written there to disable it. There are only two antiviruses that are more irritating, and he mentioned both of them. You can search about them yourself. According to my experience and my viewers' experience, this is the reality. Windows Defender also takes files many times, including mine. If this happens, it means you installed the game, but after installation you didn't open it. Then you get a message saying, "Threat detected," and that a main game file has been removed. That file is required to run the game. Defender takes it and labels it as a virus. You may not understand what is being installed on your computer. For a newbie, this creates confusion, and they start thinking, "Oh yes, this game is not safe." Then they go somewhere else on YouTube and hear different opinions. There's no back and forth in these things. Many people tell me that they installed the game, and after many hours, Defender said the game is not safe. If you tell me about another website, I will check it as well. I visited those websites too, and the same thing is written there. Please disable Defender before installing the game. My point is simple. Install the game, and during the installation, add your game setup folder and your game installing folder in exclusion of Defender. So if your game setup file is already taken, then I covered a video on that too. Click on screen to recover it.